Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Forged in Foam. In this video, I got a cosplay I wanted to show off. This is my very first one. It's not super perfect. I did it in like a month and it was for a really small con, but other than that, I had a lot of fun making it and got pretty good reactions for it, but I wanted to show it off for you guys. I originally decided to go with the Shoretrooper because I found a template for this helmet online, put it together, and it turned out pretty good. And I decided why not do a whole outfit and go to my first cosplay convention, so that's what I did. But as you can see, the helmet's wearable. It's got a little plastic piece here with some window tint on it for the lens. It's all made out of EVA foam. Some of it's 5mm craft foam, some of it's the floor mats. It's got a back to it as well. You guys can see that. But other than that, there wasn't a lot to it. There are some pieces for my shin, some armor down there. I'm not actually wearing that because it's kind of, you can't really see it in the video anyways, but I will showcase it to you here in a little bit. I made this, well I didn't make it, I found a toy version of it on Amazon for like 10 or 12 bucks, I can't remember, but it was white and orange, looked very kiddish, so I just took some paint and some acrylics and just kind of weathered it up a little bit. I know it's not the actual weapon that the Shoretroopers carry, but it's still at the same time frame and I was kind of in a crunch for time. And I thought this would work out just fine, at least better than nothing. But I mean, that's pretty much it. I'll go ahead and take this off, show you guys the pieces one by one, the detail I put into it, describe it a little bit for you, and I hope you guys like it. If you didn't know, I make other props stuff, so be sure to subscribe and leave a thumbs up if you like this. Other than that, let's continue on with it. Here's the first thing. The helmet, as you can see, it's got pretty good detail on it. I weathered it, made it look like it'd been used in battle. I got some details here, the lens, pretty good visibility in it. Not a lot to it. Like I said, I got the template online. I had to put some pieces of foam on the inside to make it a little more form-fitting to my head so it wasn't so loose and wobbly when I'm wearing it. But it fits pretty good. Your voice is a little muffled when you wear it, as you could probably tell earlier. But it's pretty comfortable. Didn't have any issues with the lens fogging up or anything. Here's the little blaster rifle. Like I said, it's not the Shoretrooper rifle that they do actually have in the movies, but it's good enough for me, at least. Just like I said, I just painted it black, added some silver details here and everywhere else just to kind of make it look a little worn. And then I actually drilled some holes in here to give it a little bit more detail. Yeah, next piece is the upper part, the chest. It's all made out of the EVA foam floor mats. When I made this, I just took some poster board and just kind of took my own measurements of my torso here, my front, and then just kind of transferred that on the poster board, drew out the design, the outline of it, and then I just cut it out from there, just made little minor adjustments from there, and then I just did the same with the back side, put the two pieces together, make sure it fit well. This is just boxed in with foam. It's not the best detail work, but I was kind of in a hurry. Other than that, it turned out pretty good. The straps actually connect with Velcro, so it's easy to put on and easy to take off. It's a little noisy. Alright, and the next piece is the abdomen piece. It's probably got the most detail on it as far as foam goes, all the little cuts and stuff you see here and all the other little pieces. It's put together from Velcro on the back side here, just like that. This is like a little piece of PVC pipe, and then I wrap some foam around it to give it the little details and cuts into it, and I cap each end off with some more foam. These little pieces hanging down is just foam. This is also just like one of those rolls of EVA foam. I think they're supposed to be for like anti-fatigue foam floor mats or whatever, but repurposed that. And all the paint, all the tan is on this entire cosplay is actually spray paint. I plasti dipped everything first and then spray painted it. And then the black details on here is acrylic paint. The details on the helmet is also acrylic paint. But there's that. Alright, for the little arm guards, here these are. They're just they're solid. They don't attach together with Velcro. They just slide on fairly easy. I just kind of measured out the wrist and then the upper part of my arm, made it a little bit bigger because I was wearing some clothes underneath it, which is just a long sleeve black shirt. Some details I cut into it, and some others. I added a little thing here, which I think it's like that in the actual outfits they wear. Plus it helps it right around the elbow, makes it a little bit more, gives you a little bit more movement, a little bit more freedom of movement there with that. Yeah, the gloves are just regular plain black gloves that I found at Walmart, and I added a little piece of foam, some detail here to add to that. I just put the gloves on, not a lot to it, and then this piece just slides right over top of it. Like I said, it's a little bit tighter when you're wearing everything. Well, actually, I did that wrong. Actually, you put this on first, and then you put the glove on. It actually won't fit with this part on here, so that's what you do. So for the biceps and shoulder pieces, I got these done using just 5mm craft foam. They're actually two pieces. I just attached it with some little straps here so that it would stay in place the way it's supposed to. There's little details on there, just mostly paint. This was actually red spray paint. The rest was, this blue was just acrylic paint. Put with some little Velcro tabs up here, and there's some Velcro tabs on the inside of the arm to kind of hold it in place so it don't slide or move around. I did that with both pieces right here. Just they got different designs on them. I went with the squad leader design for the Shoretrooper. I think you have like the regular Shoretrooper, then you have the captain, and then you have the squad leader. And I chose to go with the squad leader for this, which one thing that stands out the most on each of the soldiers or the troopers is just the paint designs on there, the markings they have on like the arms and stuff, and then the squad leader has like this I don't know what you want to call it. It's almost like a skirt, but you wear it on the back side, like an apron, and it's just made out of cloth. I had my sister help me out with that. She's pretty good with sewing and stitching, but I just attached it with some Velcro on both sides, and then added these little grommet tabs down here on the bottom, trying to give it as much detail and accuracy to the actual trooper outfit as I could. And then the last thing I had was the Shin Armor, which there's actually two different designs. There's this one, which has like, this little pointy deal here. And then this one's a little bit more flatter on the side. They attach using Velcro. I just take them out and then put them on over my pants. They got like little straps or whatever on the sides that go all the way around it for some extra detail and stuff. And these are also made out of 5mm craft foam. But other than that, I think that's it. I would have liked to have created an actual rifle for that's accurate to the Shoretrooper, but I just didn't have the time to do it. I might do it in the future, but Probably not. If I do, I'll be sure to leave a video for you guys on that. But other than that, that was my first cosplay. Hope you like it. I'll put up some pics at the end of this video for you guys. Let me know what you think. What I could have done better, maybe. I'm always open to any kind of, good feedback. But other than that, thank you for watching. If you haven't yet, be sure and hit that thumbs up and subscribe for me, and I'll get some more videos out for you guys. Thanks again.